Feeling drained? Let's fix that naturally. Today, we're diving into 10 incredible superfoods that will naturally boost your energy levels and keep you feeling your best throughout the day. Let's jump right in. First up, bananas. Packed with natural sugars, fiber, and potassium, bananas provide an instant energy boost without the crash. Next, we have almonds. These little nuts are rich in healthy fats, protein, and magnesium, helping to sustain your energy levels over time. Feeling sluggish in the morning? Oats are your go-to. They're a slow-digesting carb that keeps your blood sugar stable and your energy high. Don't skip your greens. Spinach is loaded with iron, which helps oxygen travel through your body, giving you a natural energy lift. Sweet potatoes are not just delicious, they're a powerhouse of complex carbs and vitamin A, perfect for steady energy throughout the day. Who said energy foods can't be indulgent? Dark chocolate, in moderation, is full of antioxidants and can enhance blood flow to the brain, giving you a mental energy boost. Greek yogurt is an amazing combo of protein and probiotics, keeping your gut happy and your energy levels up. Berries like blueberries and strawberries are packed with antioxidants and natural sugars, making them the perfect snack for a quick pick-me-up. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein and essential nutrients. They'll fuel your body and keep you full longer. And finally, green tea. It's not just caffeine, it contains L-theanine, which helps you stay focused and energized without the jitters. And there you have it, 10 superfoods to naturally boost your energy levels. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your best, healthiest life. See you in the next video.